What's up, everybody? Your boy Sly KANE on a quick unboxing of a new interface that I got for my studio. It's called the M-Audio MTrack 2x2. It was on sale at the mall for 6,700 pesos. Originally it was 7,000 something, almost 8,000. This is one of M-Audio's newest products. They have the M-Audio MTrack 2x2 M standing for MIDI, which I don't really need right now, so I opted for the cheaper one, the MTrack 2x2. It's a 2-in, 2-out, 24/192 USB audio interface. It records in 24-bit, 192 kilohertz resolution for professional recording and monitoring. It has zero latency. That's the plain reason why I got this. So today all we're going to be doing is the unboxing. This is brand new and we're going to see what's inside. We're not going to do a test, just a quick unboxing. So it comes with the M-Audio manual, and inside the box it is looking as so. And let's take this out slowly. And I can see it comes with 2 wires, USB wires, and it says here in the instructions that it has 2 wires. One is a USB-C to USB-C cable, one is a USB-C to USB-A cable. Not bad. And what else is in here? The soft silica gel. Put this box on the side, and now let us unbox this little baby. The new baby of the studio, our new audio interface. You're gonna hear new music from B&K and J. Chris on this little baby right here. And it looks sweet. Wow, M-Audio has really upped their game with the design. This looks like a really nice build, a metal chassis. It has the big knob here for the volume, and y'all check it out. Very pretty indeed. Very pretty. At the back, it's got the speaker out, and of course a mic line in. And this is the M-Audio MTrack 2x2 C series, and I'm going to be doing another review and testing how this baby sounds. So for now, this has been the unboxing of this product. So for more videos just like this, kindly hit the subscribe button, like on my page, comment if you guys have had the same product just like mine. And this is your boy Sly KANE for Estilo Local.